last, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. That. Shayo. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. That the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all, welcome back to another freaking video. So as you can see by the title and by the thumbnail, I am going on another freaking vacation, and I am more than excited, y'all. First things first, I'm putting this Nintendo Switch back in my bag because I have opened this bag 10 million times. But anyways, but yeah, y'all, it's currently 7:06 and we board our plane at 7:15. Babe, say hey to the vlog. Stink, say hey. But we have been up since the last vlog. When y'all see me preparing for vacation, I have not been asleep since then. Like, we literally got up, ran, dropped Ace off at daycare, then we had to take Ice back home to to Stink's dad's house, and then we came home, finished packing, had to drive back to her mom's house so we could come to the airport. So we have not been asleep. I still haven't gotten a nose ring. I'm very upset about that. I'm hoping and praying that I can get one before we get on the boat. But our flight is only about 2.5 hours. So yeah, I'll see y'all. I'll probably give y'all little clips here and there, but I am beyond sleepy. So I'll see y'all later. I'm so ready to go to sleep, y'all. I got my blanket. Hey y'all, I just want to give y'all an update that we have made it on the boat. Today is the first day and we are going to the Bahamas, but y'all, I'm not feeling the best right now, so I'm gonna give y'all clips and stuff, but I probably won't talk to y'all as much. And I don't know why I'm feeling like this, but I feel really bad. But my girlfriend's here and we are walking to get off the ship to go to the Bahamas. So we'll see y'all a little bit later because we are doing an excursion, so y'all know how this goes. You don't even believe in Jesus. Why you got a Jesus piece? Different word. Hallelujah. Let's get money from the
screws on back. The morning got a new do. And if you get to one,
would have been on Dreamville, talk to her now. One time for me, who knows? Don't save her, she don't wanna be saved.
The Chinese actor, and he actually acted inside Rush Hour.
Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan. Yeah, you guys are right.
None of my niggas gon' fold. Couple pussy niggas told I don't find out, that's for sure. We won't fall out about shit, especially not by no bitch.
Don't be scared now.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Wait, I might can take my phone.
All right, guys.
I got more food, y'all. Now I'm about to feed. What do you say?
See the big one.
Oh, feed the big one? Okay.
Hold on. I just got my phone. Hold on, babe. Hold on.
Baby, you came back.
Yeah, you
not gonna do you nothing.
Oh, this a girl.
Yeah.
Y'all, we still in the Bahamas. We got another rum punch. Y'all, look at the pigs.
Ready?
Thank you, sir.
Take it out. For me?
Go on this side. Tell them I made it up. You still had a good time.
This what he did.
Got them some shots.
Come on. We got a shot. Let's take a shot too. Exactly.
We gotta do this.
Here, baby. So Danny done stressed us out today, y'all.
Hold on.
Come on. Oh, Danny, get your shot.
You wanna get my shot right now? What you got? What's yours? Danny made it up. Danny made it up. Put him right up.
You want to say hey to my vlog? He helped us, y'all, when Danny left us for dead. Alright, y'all, so Stink just did the paddle boating thing, and I'm scared to bring my camera over here by all this water because we are literally on the beach. We did jet skiing in the banana boat. What else did we do? And fed the pigs. So I do have content for y'all, but it's gonna be like in a weird position because we used our phone to record, but it's okay. Y'all, we are currently walking to the other side, oh shoot, of the beach, but I don't have no shoes on, so I'm trying to be careful. There's more pigs over here. Oh, that hurt my butt. No. Y'all, this is rum punch. Babe, show your rum punch. So we got some rum punch. We done had about 3 or 4 of these. I'm not even gonna lie. Babe, why is you still holding it like that? Ready? Okay. Alright, y'all, we're about to leave the Bahamas and I am. Okay? Y'all, look at this. Isn't that cute? That's their straw market. This is us literally just chilling in the Bahamas. It's not normal life. I'm drunk as hell. Me too. Y'all, I'm so drunk. We're walking back to the port because I think it's 2. It's 2 something. It's almost 3. Yeah, and we got to be back on the boat by 3:30. So we headed back to the boat because we got a little walk. So I'll see y'all probably later tonight. Luckily, I feel better because this morning when I was talking to y'all, I felt like a ball of... But it's okay. I feel better. I think I really, like I was telling Steve, I really feel like the sun makes me feel better. Call a big booty. Call a big booty, so I call a big booty. This is the boat that our friends was on that we met, and then this is a different boat. But we going all the way down to the boat that's like far down this little alley. Rate the Bahamas Bay.
9 out of 10.
Yes.
We did. It was miscommunication. Nigga, we thought we was left on the Bahamas. On a separate island, not even a port.
Cause he took us across the water and then I get a guy our
wristband, didn't tell
we was basically stuck over there trying to figure out like, can we even get back to the
nigga was about to yank my life jacket off.
Literally.
Like, what?
Talking about we can't do anything. I was pissed. But good thing is we were able to do it, but we didn't get any content on it because they really won't help.
Yeah,
they didn't even take pictures or videos. Yeah, they was fussing us out. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Go to the right thing.
Like we didn't pay the money to
exactly
even get on the boat to get over here. Like,
and you
we didn't just swim over here. It's too far.
But well, y'all gonna say the boat. I see y'all probably when we doing like dinner or something. So we're probably about to sit down for a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, take a shower and stuff. Cause I'm tired.
Y'all, this is where we get pizza from.
Huh? No, you. Y'all stink over here betting. Don't know what she doing. Okay. Hopefully with me recording, she hit $1 million. We're gonna jump off this boat. Well, $20, y'all. She ain't getting nothing. From the chandelier, from the chandelier. Hey y'all, it is currently what time is it? 1:30 in the morning, and yes, I have a timer on my phone because we're waiting for room service. We just ordered 3 orders of, oh, we need to go this way. 3 orders of chicken wings and a Philly cheesesteak and some fries. And then we got to walk outside just because, y'all, it ain't even nobody out here. We actually are on the Royal Caribbean cruise. I don't think I told y'all that. What's Icon? No, it's Freedom. Not. Freedom. We're on Freedom of the Seas, y'all. And everything is really closed because, again, it is 1:30 in the morning. So, we just walking. I just wanted to come outside. Why not? And you can't even tell that we on a cruise ship. Look, hold on, babe. This is what outside looks like. You can't see nothing. I'm so ready for them chicken wings, y'all. Hey, y'all, it is the next day. I have not. What you do? Oh, it's the next day, and I have not been vlogging, but we just been sitting at the pool, and it's very hot out here.
I got me some Mexican, y'all. The rice was, I don't even know. The chicken was good. The steak was really good. The chicken wasn't good, I'm lying. I got some nachos, but Bae said the cheese was cold. I got some quesadillas, but that's all she ate. But she drank a whole cup of water.
Yep. Oh, did you want some water?
But now we're waiting on the room service lady to finish our room.
It told us 15 minutes, and it's 3:50. We're going back at 4. We are at the bar.
Raise your hand if you don't have any. You keep drinking. So drink and then Rojo.
I think the last time I saw y'all though was when we was in the bar, and we left the bar and we got another drink. It's very strong, and I'm drunk. But this is our view. Y'all just see. She drunk. And then right there is the ice cream. The kids side does close earlier than the adult side, so they're shutting this down. That's why y'all see them grabbing like all of the chairs and stuff. Happy hour was actually good to us. We was able to get enough drinks to get us. Y'all, I am drunk. Where is it? It's down there. Oh. We are at my cousin's room. And we're trying to go in her room, but we drunk, so we gotta be quiet. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day, and we are in, are we in Dominican Republic? Yeah. We're in the Dominican Republic. We're supposed to go to Jamaica today, but they said that the weather was too bad for us to go. So, yeah. Wait. Yeah. Y'all, that's how you know we on a trip, because... But I didn't even know you brought all the Uno cards last night. You was already planning on playing. Y'all, I haven't really been having storage on my camera, and I have not been recording, but it's okay. My head itch. I can't wait to get back home to no mousse and oil. Oh my gosh. It feel like my hair already growing out the braids. Alright, y'all. So I ain't gonna use too much
storage to let y'all watch me get dressed. But I'm gonna let y'all see a little bit because we need as much storage as we need. Oh, we also did not book excursions because everybody just keeps saying it's really nothing to do here. So we just getting out to sea. If we see something, we might do it. But the main thing we wanted to do was jet ski. Well, Stink wanted to jet ski and I wanted to do the pigs. So we already done did that. And we didn't plan on coming to Dominican Republic. So we hadn't had, you know, no ideas or anything that we was trying to complete. This is cute. Okay. We're gonna go Coach. We're gonna go double Coach with the stack. Y'all, this is all I use on my brows. I'm just really? Baby, stuff up there. They said don't touch stuff like that. Oh my gosh. Y'all, Stink is over here playing. Okay, it's hot as fuck. They told me to put on the outfit. Now swimming trunks, so everybody else got on swimming trunks. So now my clothes are sticking to me.
No.
Alright, y'all, we got some fries and a burger. Y'all still trying to do this magnetic thing. Is that how you supposed to do? Oh, you trying to take it off? That's the bull, yeah. Yeah. Let's see what she do, y'all. Hold on. You gotta make it. Oh my God. Come on, make it for my vlog. Come on now. You done retired too long. There you go. Y'all, kind of started raining, but it wasn't too bad. Stink done did some crazy stuff. But we headed back to the boat. We headed back to the boat and we'll see y'all later tonight. Oh, you got one? What's that called? Huh? Is it tequila? Cream. It's a cream, yeah. Oh.
Well, what does it taste like?
Medicine. It tastes like amoxicillin. You tasted it?
No.
Yeah, it's not. Alright, y'all, we just made it back from dinner. Nah, for real though. We just made it back from dinner and this is my outfit. I ain't really been taking too many pictures, y'all. We just been living in the moment. Not gonna lie. And I got a little stomach because I just ate. But we are about to probably just drink, y'all. We literally have one more day of just cruising, so The last thing that we need to do is be bored. Cause who? So all day tomorrow, I feel like we should get in the water. We should go to shows and just drink, and drink some more. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm probably about to change my outfit too, cause I don't know about walking around no damn dress on all night. Welcome to our MTV home where we eat pizza on the bed. You so annoying, y'all. We already packed up for tomorrow. It's our last day, but I never gave y'all a room tour, so yeah. This the shower. It's our life vest if something happens, guys. All that. 7:30 in the morning. Luckily, they're not designer. Y'all, it's actually 12:52, and we are in Fort Lauderdale, but we gotta fly back. Mama. Our flight boards in 32 minutes. My camera's tripping. Our flight boards in 32 minutes, and we've been here since like 9 this morning, I believe. This morning, I do think I got a clip of us before we left the room. That was at like 7 a.m. because we got off the boat around 8. And yeah, so I'll just see y'all once we make it back home. I don't know why my camera keeps moving like this, but I'll see y'all when we make it back to the house.